Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. We just finished building these two 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engines. First engine over here is in stock, ready to go, completely fully tested. We have our other one over here. We also offer with the TKX 5-speed transmission installed with the QuickTime bell housing, the Ram clutch installed, high torque mini starter, complete. The engine will be shipped on an extended skid, boxed up and crated. Make it real nice and simple for your install. Everything is done for you. We even put the external hydraulic slave cylinder, make the adjustments. The Hurst shifter, the white ball, comes with the 3 quarts of oil on the transmission. So absolutely complete, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.